Vast, ancient forests, teeming with life, thrive not on land but in the crushing darkness of the ocean's abyssal plains. These hidden ecosystems, built by creatures resembling plants, host more biodiversity than many vibrant rainforests. Far removed from sun-drenched tropical reefs, these extraordinary worlds exist thousands of feet below the surface. Here, deep-sea corals and sponges form intricate structures, providing essential shelter in a profoundly barren environment. Unlike their shallow-water cousins, these organisms grow incredibly slowly, often living for thousands of years. They represent some of Earth's longest-lived creatures, silently witnessing millennia of oceanic change and evolution. Their very existence challenges our fundamental perception of life's resilience and adaptability on this planet. These fragile, mysterious oases are absolutely vital for maintaining the overall health of the entire global ocean. Imagine a world where sunlight never penetrates, where temperatures hover just above freezing constantly, year after year. Despite these extreme conditions, life here explodes with an unexpected richness, forming complex communities unseen by most. Deep-sea corals, like the stunning Lophelia pertusa, build enormous reef structures from their calcium carbonate skeletons. These structures grow by slowly accumulating tiny polyps over countless centuries, forming colossal living monuments. For instance, a single coral colony can extend for miles, creating a labyrinth of crevices and protective overhangs. Sponges, often overlooked and understated, contribute equally, creating vast filter-feeding matrices that shape the seafloor landscape. Some deep-sea sponges resemble enormous glass vases, constructed from delicate silica spicules that interlock perfectly. Their primary food source is marine snow, a continuous shower of organic detritus drifting down from the sunlit surface. This delicate rain of dead plankton and waste sustains an entire food web in the perpetually dark deep ocean. Marine scientists explain these deep-sea reefs act as critical nurseries for many commercially important fish species globally. Juvenile fish find refuge within their complex branches, protected from predators during their most vulnerable life stages. The complex architecture of these reefs also provides hunting grounds and homes for an astonishing array of invertebrates. You'll find bizarre crustaceans, unique mollusks, and strange worms, all perfectly adapted to this shadowy, high-pressure environment. But that's not the strangest part about these remarkably enduring, hidden ecosystems thriving in the deep. Many deep-sea sponges possess unique glass-like skeletons, some of which exhibit extraordinary optical properties, defying expectations. Researchers discovered these incredible natural fibers transmit light with surprising efficiency, surpassing many man-made counterparts. This natural fiber optics system represents an engineering marvel, evolved over eons in the crushing darkness below. Furthermore, some deep-sea sponges host symbiotic bacteria that can process methane, creating unique localized energy sources. This unexpected biochemical activity fuels entire communities around cold seeps, separate from the typical marine snow diet. These communities include giant tube worms and mussels, thriving on chemicals rather than sunlight, a true biological anomaly. Consider how a single sponge, perhaps a meter tall, might be thousands of years old, an ancient living archive. These organisms offer invaluable insights into geological history, recording changes in ocean chemistry within their growth rings. They are essentially living time capsules, preserving data about past ocean conditions for scientists to decode carefully. What's even more astonishing is how long their mysteries remained hidden from human understanding and discovery. For centuries, their existence remained largely theoretical, shrouded in the impenetrable mystery of the deep ocean. Only with advanced submersibles and remotely operated vehicles did their incredible scale and importance become clear. And then something unexpected happened. As humans began exploring these previously inaccessible deep-sea habitats, we discovered these ancient realms are not immune to the impacts of human activity, even in the abyss. The delicate balance of these slow-growing worlds is now facing unprecedented challenges from a distant, powerful force. This revelation shifted scientific understanding, highlighting the interconnectedness of all oceanic environments, surface to seafloor. The deep ocean, once thought to be vast and invincible, shows clear signs of vulnerability from human actions. For centuries, these ecosystems remained largely untouched, flourishing in their slow, silent, deep-water world. However, human activities, primarily deep-sea trawling, now pose an unprecedented and devastating threat to them. Massive fishing nets dragged across the seafloor can obliterate millennia-old coral and sponge structures in moments. These slow-growing communities cannot possibly recover within human timescales, but with no chance of replanting. The destruction is swift and irreversible. These slow-growing communities cannot possibly recover within human timescales. A single pass of a bottom trawl can reduce a vibrant, complex habitat to a barren, lifeless rubble field. This loss of habitat directly impacts the many species that rely on these structures for shelter and food. Loss of these deep-sea havens means losing vital nurseries, impacting global fish populations far beyond the abyss. Many species spend their juvenile lives here, then migrate to shallower waters, supporting coastal fisheries and economies. Marine biologists emphasize that understanding these systems is crucial before we inadvertently destroy them completely and permanently. Their continued existence holds untold secrets about adaptation, longevity, and the very limits of life itself. We might lose potential breakthroughs in medicine or materials science from unique deep-sea biochemical compounds. Consider the potential for novel antibiotics or anti-cancer agents found within these incredibly resilient deep-sea organisms. Furthermore, deep-sea coral reefs play a role in carbon cycling, storing carbon in their robust calcium carbonate skeletons. Their destruction releases this stored carbon, contributing to ocean acidification and global climate change challenges. The disruption of these ancient ecosystems creates a domino effect, reverberating through the entire marine food web. Protecting these deep-sea wonders is not just about biodiversity. It is about safeguarding our planet's future equilibrium. It's about respecting the intricate, delicate balance of an ecosystem we barely understand, yet profoundly impact. Scientists advocate for stronger protections, establishing marine protected areas where trawling and mining are strictly forbidden. This proactive conservation approach is essential to preserve these irreplaceable treasures for future generations to study. The challenge lies in balancing human economic needs with the imperative to protect these vulnerable, slow-growing ecosystems. Education plays a vital role in raising awareness about these hidden worlds and the threats they face daily. You can contribute by supporting sustainable seafood choices and advocating for stronger ocean conservation policies worldwide. Profound every mysteries of the effort to reduce our impact on the ocean helps protect these deep-sea marvels from irreversible damage. Profound every mysteries of the effort to we are only just beginning to grasp the full extent of their importance to Earth's overall ecological health. The deep ocean is not a distant, separate entity. It is inextricably linked to every breath we take. Its health is our health, and the fate of its hidden forests rests in our human hands. The ocean's hidden forests remind us that the most profound mysteries often lie in the deepest, darkest places. Understanding these fragile ecosystems is paramount for preserving the delicate balance of Earth's vast blue wilderness. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and share your thoughts in the comments.